Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. The diagram shows a solid wooden cuboid. The cuboid measures 65 centimeters by 35 centimeters by 45 centimeters. The machine cuts the cuboid to make cubes. Each cube has edges of length 5 centimeters. Work at the maximum number of cubes that can be made from the cuboid. So what does this mean? That means that cuboids are being cut out of this cuboid. So if we're able to find the total volume, we'll write this total volume, and we divide it by the volume of, let's call this new cuboid, total of new cuboid, we can then find how many were made. So let's put this as quantity. So to find the initial volume of the whole cuboid, we have to multiply the length by the width by the height. So you get 65 times 35 times 45. Now we have to find the volume of the new cube. The new cube has edges of length 5 centimeters. So what does this mean? This means that each length is 5, the height is 5, the width is 5, and the length is 5. So 5 times 5 times 5 is simply 5 cubed. So we simply divide by 5 cubed, and we can put this into a calculator to find our answer. 65 times 35 times 45 divided by 5 cubed. This gives us 819 total cubes made. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.